In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search and filter cars by vehicle type in the Turo app. First, open the Turo app on your device. When the home screen loads, look for the search bar right at the top and tap it. This is where you tell Turo where you want to pick up your car. Start typing a city, an airport, or a specific street address. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear below. Choose the one that best matches your plans so the app centers the search in the right place. If you're flying in, entering the airport name can make pickup options easier to find. If you're staying in a particular neighborhood, a precise address helps bring results closer to you. On this same screen, you can also add when you need the car and the driver's age. Setting your dates ensures the app shows availability for your exact time frame, and entering the driver age helps filter out vehicles that aren't eligible for your age group. If your plans are flexible, that's fine. These fields simply make the results more accurate from the start and can be adjusted later if needed. Once your location, timing, and age look good, tap the search button. You'll land on the results page, which lists cars near your chosen spot. Rather than scrolling through everything, we'll narrow it down to a specific kind of vehicle so you can focus on what fits your needs. At the top right of the results screen, tap Filters. It may look like a small funnel icon. This opens a panel with options to refine your search. Find and tap Vehicle Type, sometimes labeled Car Type depending on your app version. You'll see categories such as SUV, sedan, truck, and electric. Choose the one that fits your plans. SUVs are great for space and comfort, sedans are typically compact and efficient, trucks offer hauling capability and higher ride height, and electric vehicles are ideal if you prefer zero-emission driving and easy charging at your destination. After selecting your preferred type, tap Show Results. This applies your filter and refreshes the listings. Give it a moment to update, and you'll be taken back to the results page with your choice applied. Now scroll through the cars that match your selected type. Every option you see will already align with the category you picked, making it simpler to compare features, pricing, and availability without distractions. And that's it. You've searched a location, set timing and age, applied the vehicle type filter, and now you're viewing just the cars that fit what you want.